This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add alt text to images in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I have a little example project opened in Word here, and you can see I have an image over here. To add alt text to an image in Word, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is right-click on the image. Then you want to go to View Alt Text. I'm going to click on that. Now in the pane that opens on the right-hand side here, you can see it says Alt Text. How would you describe this object and its contents to someone who is blind or has low vision? You want to describe your image as good as possible to somebody that can't see it. It gives you a little text box here that you can put your description in. It looks like a person walking across a crosswalk. That's what I'm going to type in here. And that's it. Now if I click off that image and I click back on the image, I have my alt text pane opened. If I click back on the image, it shows you what my alt text for that image is. Person walking across a crosswalk. That is how you add alt text to an image in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.